Oh, come on.
Set it!
Yeah,
Oh, he got it! He got it!
Fuck. Do not come off. Do not come off. Do not come off. And it ain't too bad. Wow.
Nice! Let's go!
Way
There
to
it
go,
is!
Dingo!
Let's go! Can't stop, won't stop. 2,000.
Oh,
Good
dude.
job.
Hey,
Now
hey,
go get a
hey!
snack.
Suena, bababi, Let's go!
It's not a
Number
terrible little.
2,000.
That's a 1-pounder,
Uh,
or at least it looks like it.
maybe. All right, you are a very important fish.
You should mount it.
Change your count.
2,000.
Andre 2000.
Good job.
That's crazy, dude.
You need a snack now.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get a Red Bull. I need to get some water. I didn't think I'd be out here that long. Finally.
I think I was here for the 50th, the 1,000, the 500, and on and on and on.
Hey, look at you, 2,000. Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah,
What's
yes.
up,
man.
Carl?
Damn, Skippy. Just remember, that's
Yeah.
2,000 bass, not 2,000 fish. I hope everybody
Yeah.
in the world hears what I'm saying, by God. Got me all pumped up now. I'm fixing to jump in this truck and go to Raven and tear their ass up tomorrow.
Hell yeah, dude.
All right, brother. I just want to pop on here for a minute and tell you congratulations. I got to finish getting ready so I can get my ass to the lake.
I appreciate you, Carl. Thanks, man.
All right,
Have
brother.
fun
Y'all have a
tomorrow. Good
good
luck.
day.
Good luck this weekend, man.
Thank you, bud. All right,
All right,
later.
bud. Later, man.
And then there was me.
And then it was just the OG up in this motherfucker.
That's right.
Oh, man. 2,000 goddamn bass, bro.
Yeah, man, it's hard to believe, but I believe it.
I ain't doing that next year.